morning, friend. Today we are going to discuss about the health and safety objective. Health and safety objective. The aim of organizations that are set out the health and safety policy may not change, may be changed and generally over time, not change over time. These should provide a framework for setting review health safety objective which may be changed each year. So guys, we have discussed health and safety objective. What should health safety should be in place whenever you are going to start the any establishment like constructions industry and constructions industries and tunnel railway work, anything which are going to construct as per BOCW constructions definitions. So guys, health and safety objective, how to identifications, how to implement the OHS policy, OHS objectives. So first we should consider about your EHS policy, safety policy. What is your safety policy? You know that as per BOCW Act rules, as per BOCW acts, there is maintained the safety policy should be establishment if more than 50 workers working in your organizations retain and approval with government's authorized body to your safety policy. So guys, safety policy is very important and this is a legal part of documentations for implementations of safety at your workplace and your organization. As per ILO, already identified the policy, OHS policy in 1963 approx 1963. Safety policy should be must if you are going to work of constructions and any industry. So guys, ILO, there the guidance documentations ILO OHS 2001 recommended that objectives should be establishments which are in place. So guys, today we are talking about the health safety policy. First part of objective, then we have to first discuss your safety policy, then we can make a objectives, because your policy we cannot make a objective and target. So guys, as per ILO instructions, ILO guidelines is there mentioned specific to the organizations for appropriate to and according to the size of nature activity. Means your size of nature activity. So guys, objectives is small retail stores, likely the difference large constructions company. In particular, they should be reflect the risk and difference work activity. Consistent the relevant applicable national law regulations and technical business obligations to organizations. So we can consider about this focus toward the continually improvements worker health safety protections achievements the best health safety performance, realize the achievables documentation documented and communicated to all relevant function level and organizations, periodically evaluate the necessary update. There should be a direct link with the workers performance and organizations of objectives. So guys, there is criteria defined, there is some specific reason for or achievements of your objectives and how to implement your health safety cultures in your organization. So guys, there is also mention as if you are going to set a target, if you are going to make a objective for achievement purpose, then we should consider a smart work. There is defined a smart meanings of your objectives, a smart meaning of your target, smart meaning of your work and your performance. What we but there is specific discussion about the smart. S S for specific, M for measurables, and A for achievable, and R for reasonable, and T for time bound. So guys, there is why this is considers why this is highlighted in a smart work in this. In this Nebos book also, you know that in Nebos first chapter is there mentioned for the for that all are guidelines. So a smart means a specific objective has much greater chance of being accomplished that than a general goal objective, because the reliable and greatest understanding what the objectives to specific objective is necessarily determined. Means a smart means a specific objective, how to determine that objective, how to going to achievable. So first is there who is involved. If you are going to make a target, first you have to consider who is involved to achieve target. Who is involved means if you are going to make a objective, target a objective health safety, then first who is involved. First, involvement of management, involvement of your supervisor, involvement of your project managers, involvement of your workers, involvement of all department wise. Then we can achieve the environment health objectives and target. Because they have not involvement, this is not possible to improvements and implementations and achieve your target. Second thing, what to be accomplishment, what to be targeted. There is defined who is involved, what will be targets related the occupational health safety. We will discuss next, but there is some criteria. Second thing, where is identifications, where locations, where is going to. First, who is involved, what will be target, and second thing, where is target, in which place, in which locations wise, in which project, in which an organization. So guys, when second thing is then when you have to make a target, we have when you have make a targets and objectives. Second, when means a time of frame should be establishment. Means if you have make a objective, if you have make a target, then need to be considered, need to be achievable target when you will be completed, when you will be a success, when you will be achieve that target. So guys, there is mentioned when, which are identified requirements and considerations, which means which are identify the target, then consistent on your target, consistent on your achieve, how to achieve. After that, why specific results purpose benefit accomplishment of objective. If you have make a objective, there is need to be understood that if you are make a target, what is benefit of target, why you are going to achievements that target. So these all are things, who, what, where, when, which, why. This is very important to know that, and this is important to all of your organizations, all of the teams members also understood the importance of objectives and why it is need to improvements. So guys, after that we have discussed about the measurable. Measurables means if you are going to need 1 liters 1 kilograms milk. Suppose that you are a family member, so you need milk. Then you can say that we want to kilograms. How much kilograms? Measurables mean how much kilogram you have to need on regular basis. So guys, identifications measurable means if you have need 1 liter milk on per day, then need to be measurable only 1 liter need milk on regular basis. They can useful for our family members. If you need measurables means somebody I want to milk, how much milk you need. So measurable and quantifiables means quantify the measurables. If you need 1 liter, then talk 1 liters milk we need to for our family purpose. Second thing, achievable. So many objectives if they have clearly assigned and available. However, the accountables and achievable. Achievable means make a amounts of targets. Make a amount of, if you have taking milk, then 1 liter so you need, then achievable mean how to quantify, how to distribute that milk, that types of milk. So guys, this is a part of achieve. If you have need to safety precautions, then how to achievable, how much amounts of achieve. If you have make a target, make a objective long term, this is not possible to achieve in 1 year, 2 years, then why you need to make a big objective. So small measurables means which are achieved in time period, that make a objectives. After the reasonable, so objectives should be reasonable for order the who have achieved to them motivate and achievable. Reasonable means if you have make any objective, then what is the reasonable? Any small things you have to make a objective, this is not good. If you have make a reasonable, what we are going to achieve on target, and this is a reasonable for achievements in your side. So guys, identifications, if you are going to make a objective, make a target, then must be reasonable. Consider what is the reasonable to achievement your workplace. Time bonds, tip for time bonds. Make a time bonds if you are going to work. Make a identify. Today we have start the work. Today we have start the achievements. After 2 months we want to achieve that target. So guys, there is a criteria and scenario is there mentioned, and a smart means a specific, measurable, achievable and reasonable and time bound. How to improvements. So guys, your safety objectives should be 100% linked with the smart work. So guys, there is mention of a smart work. So after that, discuss about the what we have to, what you should make a safety objectives at your workplace. First is there mentions your target reductions of accidents, reductions and reduce of accidents at your work policy. First target is there. You know that if you are working as safety professionals, also know that there is safety signage, some display zero accidents target, zero accidents goal. First is there mentioned goal zero accident, means first target it in any organizations zero harm policy. Nothing accident, zero harm policy. There is nothing any harm to any workers. That should be considered. That should be make a policy, zero goal, zero harm policy. If you are nowadays before 10 years before back in 5 years ago, also make a policy zero accident. Zero. What is zero accident? If persons harm, if persons is a minor injury, minor harm, that is also part of part of human body. So guys, zero harm policy should be considered. Reductions of number of related health, work related injury, work related disease. Second target, we should have zero illness, disease related the work. If you are working in your organizations, there should be proper maintenance. Nowadays, you know the dengue. Why dengue? Because of you have not clean on regular basis your labor camp. There is stagnant of waters. There is no cleaning. There is food wastage over there. So guys, that all are things we have make a target. Second thing, maintenance health exposures level below defined. Exposure levels also maintenance health exposure as levels below defined limits. Health exposures level you also make and maintain in safety policy. Maintenance of conformity scores of audit. If you have working a safety professional, that target should be achieved. There is internal audit, there may be external audit, there may be third party audit. That target should be achievable, zero audit point. This is also achieved, and this is also reasonable to achievements and your organization. Second thing is that improvement number of workplace inspections. If you are inspections doing on their workplace, then make a target to how many inspections will be there. If you have inspections 10 for, then how to increase that. If you are going to increase your inspections, then reduce your maintenance, reduce your breakdown, reduce your work product, reduce of maintenance. So that all are considered so reasonable. This is also reasonable of increase and improvement of your safety inspections, maintenance, equipments, others things. After that, improvements number of managers reviewing health safety trainings. Improvements number of how many trainings given by your manager. If your manager's training given 2, 3, then how much need. So first measurables. Again discuss about the smart work. How many trainings need to how many trainings required to workers. Then increase the training like the safety induction. The safety induction training, toolbox talk, safety campaigns, motivational programs, and some third party training. So those are required to provided training. Improvements number of completed risk assessments. Improvement number of risk assessment. If you are working in construction industry, then increase of risk assessment. How many risk assessment is there? If you need to each and every activity wise, you should make a risk assessments, and with involvement to workers, staffs, and all those which are involved to work. Second thing, improvements number of contractor reviewing a health safety inductions, and review the number of contractor, how many contractor is there, how many workers is there, how many workers not conducting toolbox to talk, not conducting of induction training. You know that if you are working a safety profession, maybe some persons without enter to work without safety induction. So guys, time to time and periodically basis, you have to maintain and review the number of safety inductions, how many workers working without safety inductions. So define and make a good objective number of safety inductions, how to increase that. Improvement the number of workers wearing personal protective equipment. If you have more than 500 workers, there may be your policy, your target will be 100% workers use of PPE at your workplace. Improvements of safety meetings, improvements of number of management meetings have that have active health safety health safety items on the agenda. improvement of number of your safety committee meetings if you are working, and measures and discuss more and more agenda in safety committee meetings, and also involvement of senior managements, your workers, your supervisors. So all those departments should be must be present in safety committee meetings and discuss more and more agenda, and discuss more and more your observations, and share with all workers, share with your organizations, so that can be achievements that target. So guys, that types of target you should follow, you should maintain. Improvement number of consultant meetings, if you have going to make a target, then need to be improvements number of consultations meeting. Consultations meeting, you have to make a plan, you have make a target to how many trainings need, how many consultations by third party needs. So all those type of target must be identified, must be determined to improvements at your workplace. So guys, thanks. Today we have discussed about the health and safety policy, health and safety objective at your workplace. With respect to safety, we have make a good objective for improvement purposes. This is a good thing. This is very useful to improvement and toward the health safety at your organization. Thanks guys.